today we are going to conduct online test as well as we are going to conduct online quiz on C programming. I think you are getting my screen. So screen bata ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ? Okay. So text message ಮಾಡುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Clear is screen. So the first question of this quiz is, or the test is, who is the father of C programming language? Who is the father of C programming language? And the options are Steve Jobs, James Gosling, Dennis Ritchie, Rasmus Lerdorf. So select one correct answer from these four options and type your answer in the form of 1, 2, 3 or 4 like this, or you have to type the full name. So which one is the right answer? So now I am waiting for your response here. Who is the father of C programming language? And four options are there: Steve Jobs, James Gosling, Dennis Ritchie, Rasmus Lerdorf. So I am waiting for your response here. Okay. 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 The next question is, the explanation for this question is, Dennis Ritchie is the father of C programming language. Dennis Ritchie is the father of this C language. Before this C language, so we have used one more language. It's called as the BASIC language. So the basic abbreviation of this BASIC is Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. And this language is updated, and this language is basic language is modified and updated, and it called as a B language. Again, this B language is updated, and this language is called as a C language. Okay. And this language developed in 1972 at Telephone and Telegraph Bell Laboratories. Okay. The next question is, which of the following is not a valid C variable name? Which of the following is not a valid C variable name? So the first option is int number semicolon, float rate semicolon, int variable underscore count semicolon, int dollar name semicolon. So from these four options you have to select the wrong answer, means not a valid C variable name. So your options, you have the four options here: int number, float rate, int variable count, and int dollar name. Which one is wrong? Which one is invalid declaration for the variable? the wrong answer. D is a invalid variable. The reason is int number. First option is this one is correct. Here we can declare in this fashion it possible or it is a valid. Float rate is also variable and that type is float, and every variable declaration terminated with semicolon. And third one is the int variable underscore count. So at the time of declaring the variable, we can use the only one special symbol. It's called as an underscore. And blank space is not allowed. Blank space is not allowed. That's the reason this is also valid. And fourth one is that int $name. So special symbols are not allowed other than this underscore. But this name starts from the dollar symbol and name is the inbuilt keyword of C. That's the reason this is the invalid or this is not a valid C variable. Is it clear? Okay. The explanation for this one is since only underscore and no other special character is allowed in a variable name, it results in an error. Suppose if you are declared dollar with name, it gives an error message. So any special symbol is not allowed other than this underscore. And main is also inbuilt keyword of the C language. This is also invalid to declare the variable. Is it clear? So the next question of this one is all keywords in C are in, options are lowercase letters, uppercase letters, camel case letters, none of the mentioned. The keywords, for example, printf, scanf, and then int, float. So these are the inbuilt keywords of the C language. All keywords in C are in which case? Whether in the lowercase, uppercase, camel case letter, or none of the mentioned. So what's your answer? What's your choice here? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. A. So the explanation for this one is so all the keywords are in C language or are in the lowercase letters. Okay, that's the reason this one is the right answer. Okay. So explanation for this question is as C is a case sensitive language. The C is called as a case sensitive language. All keywords must be written in lowercase. Examples. So these are the keywords of the C language. These are the keywords of the C language. Auto, break, case, char, constant, continue, default, do. So these are the keywords of this C programming language. Keyword means that word is having its own predefined meaning on that particular language. So it's called as a keyword. Okay. So all the keywords are in the form of lowercase letters. Very good. And next question is that which of the following is true for variable name in C? Which of the following is true for variable name in C? So at the time of declaring the variables, so in these four, which one is true or which one is correct? The option first is they can contain alphanumeric characters as well as special characters. It is not an error to declare a variable to be one of the following keywords like go to, static. And variable, third option is that variable names cannot start with the digit. And variable can be of any length. So question, read carefully here. Which of the following is true for variable name in C? Which one is the true? Which one is the true for this? We have the four options. In these four options, three options are wrong. One is the right. One is the right. Means as per the rules, it's right. Okay. So what's your choice here? I am waiting for your choice. Yes, very good. C is the right answer. So C is the right answer. variable name cannot start with a digit. This is valid. This is valid. So it doesn't start from any special symbol, or so it's not allowed to start the variable names from any special symbol or any numerical value. Always the variable start from any alphabet. That's the reason the third answer is the wrong answer, correct answer. And suppose if you are selected first answer, it's wrong. If you are selected the second answer, it's also wrong. And if you are selected fourth answer, so it's also wrong. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Next, the explanation for this question is, according to the C syntax for C variable name, it cannot start with the digit. It cannot start with the digit. So here we have two examples here. One is the invalid variable declaration, another is the valid variable declaration. In this invalid variable declaration, int 9abc. So this variable start from numerical value 9. So this is not possible, this is invalid. Into the very next line, it have the int abc. abc is the valid variable. We can start the variable or we can declare the variable by using alphabets. Is it clear? So the next question for this, which is valid C expression? Which is valid C expression? At the time of declaring the variable, you can declare the variable and you can initialize the value. So at the time of declaring as well as initializing the value, so which one is the valid? As per this question, which is valid C expression? The options are int my underscore num equal to value here with comma, and second variable is that int my underscore num equal to without comma with a one number here, int my num equal to same number. Next fourth one is that int dollar my num score equal to number. So from these four, which one is the right answer or which one is the correct expression in C language? From these four, you have to select the one. That's your answer. Yes, very good. C is the correct answer. The reason for this one is the first option is int my underscore num equal to 100 comma. Comma is not valid expression for this C program. That's the reason first one is the wrong answer. And next one is the int my underscore num equal to, no doubt it have the value without any special symbol, but this is more than that limitation. And next one is the int my number equal to 1000. This is also invalid because, third is the wrong answer, because int my space num, it's an invalid answer. So space is also not allowed. At the time of declaring the variable in C language, space is also not allowed. Int my space num, this is invalid. Okay. And next one is the fourth one, int dollar my underscore num. So any special symbol is not allowed other than this underscore. Even you can use this underscore within the body of that variable. But here we are using this dollar symbol at the beginning of that variable. That's the reason this is also invalid. And the correct answer is int my num underscore and that value. Is it clear? The explanation for this question is space, comma and dollar cannot be used in variable names. So space is also not allowed, comma is also not allowed, and even dollar is also not allowed. Okay. So the next question is input statement of C programming. Input statement of C programming. Every programming language is having its own input and output format. Here in C also, it has one format too. So which one is the correct answer from these four? Option 1 is cout, option 2 is print, option 3 is printf, and option 4 is also printf. So from these four you have to select the only one, which is the input statement of C programming. So I'm waiting for the response here. D is the right answer. Yes, very good. D is the right answer. The reason is cout is the output statement of C++. Print is not it's a valid in other language but not valid in C. The third option is printf, but every keyword is in the form of lowercase letters. In the third option, P is a capital letter. That's the reason it's invalid. And in the fourth option, suppose if I selected first one, it's wrong, second one is wrong, third one is also wrong, and if I selected fourth option, it's a right answer because printf is the output statement. Third is option is also printf, but in this printf, P is a capital. In the third option, that's the reason it's wrong. And in the fourth option, printf is a P is a small letter and lowercase letter. That's the reason it's a correct answer. Is it clear? The next question is, in C programming, percentage %d to access the dash variable. To access the variable type, we have used one special symbol, it's a percentage %d. So to access this one, which type of variable we can access here? First option is integer, second one is float, next one is double, and last one is a none of double. So what's your answer? So correct answer, integer is the right answer. Integer is the right answer. Okay, to access the integer variable for the C compiler, for the C accessor, we have to show that percentage %d. Suppose if you want to read the three integer numbers, then you have to use this percentage %d how many times? 3 times. Float, for that you have to use the percentage %f, like this double, and none of double is also wrong answer. Is it clear? And the next question of this one is example of array variable. So when you declare an open variable, it having the capacity to access the only one variable. But example declaring the array variable, so it has the 4 option. From these 4 options, you have to select the one right answer from that. So the option 1 is n of 3, a of 3, n of 3, n of 3, comma 3. So which one is the right answer from these 4? Which one is the right answer from these 4? Suppose if you selected first option, it's wrong. The reason is this bracket is not allowed at the time of declaring this one. Okay. Suppose if when you click on second, this one is also wrong. No doubt it have the variable type different, but here again it have the same bracket here. Suppose if you click on the fourth option, this one is also wrong. 3, it's not possible to declare in this fashion. Suppose if your choice is third one, n of 3 means, so here we can use the variable in this bracket. So the correct answer is third option. What's your choice? Can I see this? Yes, you're also right. Okay. The next question is, so every programming language supports the looping here. In C programming, how many types of looping statements? How many types of looping statement in C programming language? So first one is a conditional, second one is a fractional, third one is the conditional as well as unconditional, and last one is the all of the above. So how many types of conditional statement in C language? Okay, third option is the right answer. Yes, you are right. You are absolutely right. Conditional is the one there. This one is only one, it not fractional. This is also invalid answer. Suppose all of the above, this one is all no. So C supports the conditional as well as unconditional looping statement. For is do while and while is called as a conditional looping statement, and for is called as a unconditional looping statement. C supports the two types of looping statement. Okay. The next question for this, in C programming, semicolon and comma is called dash. In C programming, semicolon and comma is called dash. Separator, declaration part, terminator, delimiters. In C programming, this semicolon and comma is called separator, declaration part, terminator, delimiters. Which one is the right? This time answer is different. C, A. In C programming, semicolon and comma is called separator is the wrong answer, and declaration part is also wrong answer, terminator is also wrong answer. This semicolon is used at the end of every executable statement, and this comma is used to separate the more than one variable. So this comma and semicolon is called as a delimiters in C programming. So the right answer is delimiter. The next question is, thank you for being with us. Thank you.